Let me start some more percentage practice questions. Okay, so this is the first question. If the height of a cylinder is increased by 50% and radius is decreased by 10%, then by what percent will curved surface area changes? Okay, so first of all, you have to know the formula of curved surface area. So the curved surface area formula is nothing but the pi r h of a cylinder. So okay, so the curved surface area of a cylinder is nothing but the pi r h. Okay, so curved surface area. Okay, I write it in capital. Curved surface area is nothing but the pi r h. So I write pi this way. Okay, pi r h. Okay, this is the so here the r is the radius and the h is the height. Okay, now they are saying if the height of a cylinder is increased by 50% and radius is decreased by 7. So initially, okay, initial initially initially height, oh sorry, the height is and radius, okay, we consider as a 100. Okay, and we consider as a 100. It is showing the 100%, because initially everything is 100%. After some changes of the percentage, it will be reduced from 100 or increased from 100. Okay, but now, and after initially, what the second condition? The final final height and the radius is height is increased by 15, so it is 150. Okay, and radius is decreased by something, so it is 90. Okay, now then by what percent will curve the surface area changes? So in this question we have to do the simple thing. You can see the formula, and this formula apply for this also and this also, and then we take out the answer and subtract it, and then we calculate it with the initial one, because always we have, if we want to calculate the changes, always we calculate with the respect of initial conditions always. Basically, if a questions give some other condition, then it depends on the condition, but most of the time always we have to calculate the changes with the initial things only. If they ask to after change or anything, then also then we can take. So you can see the formula, but when you apply this and when you subtract, you can see that this pi is common in both. So pi is subtracted and the 0, but these things are different and they are also in multiplication. So simply, if we want to do the direct, so we simply multiply these numbers and then we take the difference of it, the simple thing. Okay, I will so what is the condition? 0. Okay, and then 9 fives are 45. So 4 is carry, 9 ones are 9, so 13. So 1 is the carry, and 9 when the 1 9. So yeah, this is the number. So as you can see that 350 is the change the curved surface area from initial to the final. This the pi is common in both. So pi multiplied by this number, pi multiplied by this number, you get the same number. Okay, what we are doing just simply, this is the formula. Okay, here we nothing, we I'm just try to explain the condition in this we are doing this simply. Suppose sorry, yeah, here um pi multiplication by r multiplication by h minus pi multiplication by r1 and multiplication by h1. Yeah, and here we get the answer is nothing but 350. You can do by yourself also. This is the only answer. So basically this thing is common, so we take it, and so if we minus 1 with 1, we always get 0. So pi is common, so we get 0, and then we multiply both these numbers, and both these are radius and height with each other, and got the answer this. Okay, so now we have to calculate the change percentage. So that simple, the formula for it, the change, okay, is for, sorry, what is this? And yeah, is for is nothing but changing number, okay, multiplied by 100, okay, divided by the complete quantity, or you can say that the initial quantity. Okay, initial. So what is the initial quantity? This is the initial quantity. So answer, what we get, what answer we get, this, and the answer is so answer is nothing but 3.5%. Okay, so this is the answer. The change in a percent, the curved surface area is nothing but this 3.5. Okay, so this is the solution, and now we go to some another question. So increase in, so this change is nothing but increase. Okay, because we can see that the increase after the changes, he has increased. So this is the, okay.